In front of me is Vivo X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, tap on it and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you ever want to restore it, just hold your display, hit widgets at the bottom, scroll until you see Google app and tap on it, then swipe to the left twice. 1, 2. After that, you will see Google search bar. Select Add, make any adjustment you want, or don't make them at all, and click on the top left corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully restored. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!